Hey everyone, just want to do a follow-up on my dBrand skin that I reviewed a few days ago, and also this Spigen Ultra Hybrid S case. The Spigen also has an Ultra Hybrid, and then this is the Ultra Hybrid S because it comes with a kickstand. So I'm getting ready to do another review or unboxing of 3 more cases, 2 Spigens and 1 from Castigo. So before I remove the Spigen, I just wanted to show you guys how it looks in the Spigen case. You guys already seen how the dBrand skin looked in the other blue tinted case, the T2 top. But also, like what I was saying in my initial review of this Spigen, how it showed the watermark. So yeah, the only knock on this case is this part right here where it looks like it shows this little watermark, and that's because some of the clear cases, I think some of the rinky ones, they have like extra, like inside of the case they'll have extra padding on the sides for the clear cases so that this thing doesn't show up like that, this little watermark. And even on some of Spigen's cases, like they're cheaper what is that? There's cheaper liquid crystal clear cases. They have like this dot matrix kind of pattern inside, and it's still clear, but the dot matrix pattern, like they're like tiny little bubbles that keep it from that, you know, when your phone touches it doesn't make that little watermark right there. If I'm pretty sure if I had the like a dBrand skin on there, it won't make that because of the vinyl texture. But certain textures like plastic or plastic on plastic or glass on glass, it'll kind of make those little watermarks right there. And how I was saying on that Spigen, the initial unboxing or review of the Spigen case, that the only negative on it was that it would show watermarks. And so the 2 new rinky cases that I will be showing you guys has stuff to keep from that watermark from showing up. But I also said that if I had a vinyl skin like these carbon fiber skin, the watermark does not show up. And as you can see, now that I have this skin on my Note 9, there is no more watermarks that shows up on the on this Spigen case. As far as with this Spigen case.
I can't help with hotels yet, but I'm learning new things all the time.
Quiet, Bixby. As far as with the Spigen case and the dBrand skin, so frickin' Bixby.
I need your permission to continue.
So yeah, so as you can see, no more watermarks. And this Spigen has been my daily driver from all of the 3 cases that I got so far. And the reason being is because this kickstand, believe it or not, comes in very handy, very handy. Like if I'm at work, sitting at the desk, doing my schedule, I just have this propped up and I'm listening to music or watching videos while I'm putting my next work schedule together for my clients. And then just yesterday at this restaurant celebrating my nephew's birthday, my niece and nephews wanted to watch a movie on my HBO Go app, and they could do that. I have it propped up while we're eating and watching a movie at the same time at the restaurant. So that's what this kickstand comes in pretty handy for, and that's why the Spigen Ultra Hybrid S has been my daily driver so far. So just thought you guys wanted to know. Anyways, that's it. Take care and stay tuned for the 2 rinky case videos and a new case from Castigo. Take care and have a great day.